the Chom Roller Pet Hair Remover stands out as a revolutionary tool for pet owners worldwide. Its ingenious design eliminates pet hair from furniture, carpets, and clothing without the hassle of sticky adhesives, making it both environmentally friendly and economical. Portable and lightweight, it's convenient for use on the go, ensuring a tidy living space wherever you are. Crafted with durable materials and innovative technology, the Chom Roller guarantees long-lasting performance, offering a sustainable solution to pet hair woes. Its simple operation involves a smooth rolling motion that captures pet hair effectively, leaving surfaces clean and hair-free. Unlike traditional lint rollers, the Chom Roller is reusable, reducing waste and saving money in the long run. Say farewell to cumbersome vacuuming sessions and disposable lint sheets. The Chom Roller provides a hassle-free way to maintain a pristine home. With its versatility, durability, and eco-conscious design, it's no wonder that the Chom Roller has become a must-have tool for pet owners everywhere, simplifying the task of pet hair removal and enhancing overall cleanliness.